In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your Twitter account back after deactivating it. Okay, it's pretty straightforward and simple. So for an example, this is my Twitter account or X. I'm going to deactivate my account real quick. So I'll tap on settings and privacy, then I'll go to your account, and then I'll just click on deactivate account at the bottom for this example. So let me just tap on deactivate. And now I need to enter in my password. Okay, so now it says your account is deactivated, and then you just tap on got it. Okay, so all you have to do now to get your account back, okay, it's just loading up. All you have to do now is log back into your Twitter account or your X account with the same password. So I'll click on log in or sign up. So now you just want to log in. So I'm going to tap on log in, and what you need to do is enter in your phone number, email, or username. So I'll enter in my username, then I'll tap on next. Then you just need to enter in your password. So I'll do that now. Okay, so once you've entered in your password, just simply tap on login. And it says reactivate your account. Yes, reactivate. And that'll just load up now. And now I'll go straight back into Twitter and I can continue using it as normal. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.